How to screen print a t-shirt. First, gather the materials: screen, shirt, fabric paint, and a squeegee. Next, choose your design that you like. Then, print and cut it out. Then, put tape around it and make sure you have to do it at the front of the screen. Do it in reverse. After that, put the screen on the t-shirt. Add a patch of coverage. And do spread black fabric paint with the squeegee. Remove the patch. Cover the black portion with A4 or any kind of paper. Then paint it with the red and remove the paper after. Let it dry for at least 90 minutes. Finally, remove the screen from the t-shirt. Oh yes, I have done it. And voila, your t-shirt is done. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.